Have you ever tried uploading videos but YouTube just stopped promoting them? Like you're Shadowbanned or something? Here's what to do. Disclaimer: this is based on my personal experience. It worked for me. It might work for you or maybe not. But I promise, it's worth your time to try. And hey, before we start, if this helps you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, here's the step-by-step. 1. Go to the Earn tab in YouTube Studio. 2. Then open Creator Support. 3. On the top left, click the 3 lines, Menu. 4. Choose Submit Feedback, then General Help Center Experience, and pick Something Else. Now upload a screenshot of your analytics, especially the videos that stopped being promoted. In the message box, explain what happened. Be honest and clear. Say something like, "Hi YouTube team, my recent uploads are not being promoted like before. I'm just wondering why. I'm a real creator, not a bot, and I personally manage this channel." Once you've sent it, keep uploading. Don't stop. Stay consistent. Usually, after 2 to 3 days, you'll start seeing some changes. That's what worked for me, and it might just work for you too.